Good afternoon, sir. Sir, ito po yung WordPress ko. Tapos ito po yung home, sir. Tapos vlog. Ayan, sir. Family bonding. Ayan, sir. Tapos, kaibigan. Sa ilog yan, sir. It's birthday ng tita ko. Swimming po ng mga kaibigan, sir. It's birthday. Tapos, family picture, sir. It's reunion. Tapos, inuman ulit. It's family time, sir. Tapos, news. Ayan, sir. Unggoy. Tapos, turtle. Ayan, sir. Tapos, profile. Ayan, sir. Autobiography. Yung kwento ng buhay ko ba, sir? Sa gallery. Tapos, nung child days, teen days. Tapos, adult days, sir. Yan. Friends. Wala, sir. Wala akong nailagay. Family. Ayan, sir. Tapos, family. Ayan, her cousins. Tapos, mother's cousin. Lovers. Ayan, sir. 7 years. Tapos, idol, sir. Tapos, video. Nung sinurprise po ako ni Kian, sir. Birthday ko yan, sir. Tapos, ito pa, sir. As ito naman, sir, nung nasa kasiguran kami, sir. Tapos, audio. Wonderful tonight. Tapos, since you've been gone, sir. Tapos, ito yung contact, sir. Ayan yung address ko, number, Gmail, ganun, sir. Tapos, ito po yung Google Map. Ayan lang, sir.